YouTube, welcome back to my video. Today I would like to do another video which I planned to do for a long time ago, which is about education. From now onwards, I would like to share all my experience on the financial knowledge that I have and about share trading and also forex trading. So let's start with forex trading. I think a lot of people heard about forex trading. First of all, I would like to start with what is forex. Do you know the volumes per day in the forex trading market? You guys can get the answer in Google. It's 5.1 trillion USD. And this market is run 24 hours per day, which means from Monday to Friday. And the market is off on Saturday and Sunday. So this is a 24 hours, 24/7. So you can trade whenever you want. Now you guys already know there is a volume of 5.1 trillion in this forex trading market. So who is the one who get involved in here? So I would like to let you guys know. The first one is IMF. I think everyone know about IMF and the central bank all around the world, which is worldwide, and also commercial bank worldwide, and the fund management company, liquidity providers, and also the retail traders like us, like we doing the trading ourselves through our phone or computer. All of these, they hit up the volume of 5.1 trillion per day. This is different from the stock market because every country have their own stock market, and the country that have the highest stock market volume is at United States. You can go for the Google and you will get the answer about how many transaction of volume they have per day or per month. As I know, I think the per month they have more than billions of transaction turnover in the stock market. But compared to the forex market, because forex market is big enough, it's huge, it get involved with all the banks, also the company, trading company, forex exchange company, or brokers. That's why they can have a 5.1 trillion volume per day. From what I have told you guys just now, you guys already know about the trading volume about this forex market, and also know who are the one who get involved in this market. So now I would like to let you guys know about the advantages of forex trading. Okay, first of all, this forex trading market is a very low barrier of entry fees, which means you can start up with 200 USD, 100 USD. Besides that, there are another advantages of this forex trading market is you can trade at any place or anywhere or anytime you want. If you have a phone with you or computer with you and have a Wi-Fi connection, you can straight away to do the analysis yourself or do the trading to earn some small income or big income. Thirdly, regarding about the income that you can make from this market is huge enough, which means you can get an infinity of profits if you have a correct knowledge, know about how to trade, how to analyze the market, how to do the risk management, so you can earn infinity of profits. Other than that, the liquidity of this forex trading market is very high compared to the stock market. Like in the stock market, we have to queue up for the price we want. So sometimes we may miss it because it takes hours or days or weeks to get to the price we want when we queue up. This is because they have a low volume in this stock market. But compared to the forex trading market, they have a high volume, which have 5.1 trillion trading volume per day. So that's why you click on the button itself, it will immediately get to you to the price that you want. So this is the another advantages of this forex trading market. So the other two advantages of this forex market in my experience is this is a low risk of investment compared to the others. But for others who have no knowledge about this forex trading market, they will think that it's a high risk investment in this industry. But for me, this is a low risk investment because I can do well with the risk management and also the money management. For example, you have a fund with certain broker and you risk only 1% every time you trade. So when your trade is triggered, you will only lose 1% of your account. That means you are controlling the risk. But for those who don't have those knowledge, I think they will lose all the accounts maybe in one trade. That's why I think the risk management is very important. So before you get involved to this industry and want to start trading in this industry, make sure you have know everything about it and learn how to do well in the risk management and also the money management. So last but not least, as you guys know, in the stock market, we always can only buy and buy and buy, but we cannot sell. But in certain country, we can sell their share. So in our country, Malaysia, recently they have started to allow the investor to sell certain company shares. So in this forex trading market, it can do in two ways. Either you want to buy or sell, which is bid and ask. So if you think dollar will rise in future, you will buy the dollar, USD dollar. If you think the GBP pound will be dropped, so you can sell it in the future or now. So this is all about the advantages about this forex trading. I hope this video can help you guys learn more about what is forex trading. And in the next video, I will teach you guys how to choose a proper broker to start up with your own trading. So if you think this video is really helping you to know more about what is forex trading, you can hit the like buttons and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So I will see you guys in the next video.